Hello, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So if you've been watching some of my videos, you know I'm on the journey of becoming a best dressed guest at some of my friends' weddings this year. And I have been focusing on the dress portion of the best dressed guest, but in today's video, I'll be focusing on an equally important part of your outfit, which is shoes. So we've got some shoes to try on today. All these shoes are from Nordstrom Rack, and you know Nordstrom Rack is one of my favorite stores to hit up to get those fun, fancy, formal shoes. Also just shoes in general, a great option. Before we get into all of that, be sure you take the time right now and subscribe. Also be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post. I post new videos every Thursday and Saturday. And yeah, let's get into the haul. I'm actually pretty excited. I feel like I haven't done a good old shoe haul in a while, and I love shoes, so very out of character for me. But here we go. First pair of shoes, and these are from Chinese Laundry. I feel like this brand specifically always has really fun, funky, cool designs. So I'm always really excited when I see them on sale, on a good deal, under $100. I think actually all of these shoes in this haul are under $100. So steal of a deal. I'll go ahead and open them up. Right, it's unpackaged. Them all unpackaged. So here is what the shoe looks like. And like I said, this brand has so many cute, fun designs. As you can see, this is like a plasticky, I don't even know how to call this material. Kind of like a plasticky material that's like really soft. And it's this really fun floral print all around the shoe. And then this is also kind of like a platform sandal style, which is actually very, very comfortable. So this style, with it being a low chunky heel, is definitely something that you can wear all day long and it not give you any troubles, any foot pain. This area is somewhere that I always get nervous about as well, with kind of the blistering and comfortableness, but the material in this is actually really soft, and it has this fabric inner lining on it, which is really soft as well, and it's very squishy. So I don't foresee this giving problems in that area, but never know. But yeah, for how it is right now though, I think it would be pretty comfortable. Here they are together as a pair, and I feel like these shoes are seriously the perfect spring and summer style. Just the sandal look to them, the shape, and then also the pattern on it I think is just so pretty, and this could easily add such a fun pop of color and pattern and design to any of your more simple, sleek summer outfits. I feel like shoes are a great way to incorporate a pop of color, something a little fun and funky into your style, into your outfit. And I think this perfectly achieves that look, but it's still a very pretty, girly, dainty style. And then a price point for these ones, these originally retail for $79, on sale for $59, so a bit of savings there. Like I said, at Nordstrom Rack, you're always gonna get at least a little bit off. And I am wearing these ones in a size 5, and the only thing that isn't totally perfect about them is these are just too big for me. I feel like this brand, it does tend to run on the larger side. So if you are between sizes, I would say to size down in them, but I also have unnaturally small feet, so it could just be a me thing. Yeah, unfortunately the size 5 does not fit. I will say brands that do run small in my opinion are like Sam Edelman, Vince Camuto. Those are some big name brands at Nordstrom Rack a lot, so those ones definitely run small. Chinese Laundry, Mark Fisher, those kind of brands tend to run big for me. So just a little point of reference there. But yeah, other than the size, I think these are so cute and such a perfect summer heel. Definitely great if you're going to a wedding. These are going to be super comfortable. You can dance in them all night. You can wear them all day, and also will give a little fun summery twist to your outfit. Therefore, putting you in a best dressed guest category easily. All right, and then next up we've got Jewel Badshi Badgeley Mishka. I think I said that completely wrong. But this brand I've seen a lot in wedding shoes. They do a lot of really sparkly, girly, rhinestone studded moments, and you will see I did pick one of those. I actually have 2 in this brand, so we'll wait to the end. I saved the best for last, and they are this brand, so make sure you keep watching to the end. But don't skip this shoe. This shoe is also really cute too. All right, go on ahead and open her up. And here she is. So this shoe is so stunning, like such a beautiful shoe. I don't even know if the camera picks up all the beauty that she is. It is this beautiful satin purple that is the base of the shoe, and then has these purple rhinestone crystals on them, which just totally gives a fun vibe to the shoe, but makes it so beautiful and classy, and honestly such a perfect wedding guest shoe if you are going to a more formal wedding, or if you want to kind of elevate the dress that you currently have. I love like this V cut in the toe box area. I think that just gives such a flattering look to your foot, if that makes sense. It kind of gives more of an elongating look because you are seeing more of your foot, since it doesn't like cut you off right here and kind of shorten you. Similar if you're wearing jeans, where if it's too cropped, it can kind of make you look shorter than you are. This is kind of that same principle, but applied to footwear, to heels. And I think it is just such a beautiful shoe. I love this deep purple color. The deep purple could initially be seen more as a fall color, but honestly, I think with summer having a lot of really pretty florals, this purple could kind of bring out the purple and those pinks that are in a lot of floral designs for summertime. Also adding a pop of color to your dress as well. If you're wearing more of like a muted neutral, this would look so pretty paired with it. So I'll go ahead and show you guys them as the pair side by side. And yeah, these are honestly just so stunning. Really beautiful shoes. So price points for these shoes, they originally retail for about $119, but on sale, on a deal at Nordstrom Rack for only $64. So again, really great savings to get such a stunning shoe at such a great price. Also, the quality on this is so incredible, so amazing. So yeah, these literally knock it out of the park. The only unfortunate aspect of these ones is they only had a 5.5 online. So I ordered the 5.5 just hoping by some miracle that they would fit. Unfortunately, these are just too big on me. And that's not to say I think this brand runs big by any means. I think it's just I got too big of a size. So unfortunately not for me. But if you wear anything larger than a 5.5, or if you are a size 5.5, these are so stunning and perfect. And literally regardless of what dress you're wearing, these shoes alone will get you in a best dressed guest category. For sure. And then next up, we've got the iconic lime green box. It is Sam Edelman. And so I'll go ahead and open these on up. Honestly, the packaging on all of these is so nice, especially buying it from Nordstrom Rack. I feel like I'm always nervous I'm not gonna get the proper official packaging, and ordering online, I always do. So just a little tip. In store, sometimes it could be a little iffy, but online, 10 out of 10. As you can see, we got the paper. It all wrapped up. So this shoe is so fun. Here it is. And this is a really fun strappy sandal with this kind of like pom-pom detail on the front strap. And I feel like Sam Edelman also just has so many fun, funky styles, which is my thing. I love having a really vibrant statement shoe in my outfits, so this really captures that. I like how the actual heel on this, as well as the side detail, is this woven textured material, which really pulls in the pom-poms on it. The strap is a smooth leather, which makes it quite comfortable. I feel like these high strap kind of styles can sometimes rub against your ankle and make it uncomfortable, and this is actually really soft, really nice quality, so I don't foresee that being an issue for me. Also, you have the little Sam Edelman detail on the back of the heel, which is just so fun and cute. And this is a very squared off toe box, so it does really translate. I feel like especially with this pom-pom detail kind of accentuates that shape of the heel. So if you're not into like a square toe, probably not for you because this is very exaggerated in the shape of it. But again, I do think it is such a fun, funky style. All right, and so here they are together as a pair, and I will say this is a little bit more of a casual style when it comes to like a wedding guest shoe or formal event shoe. But I feel like especially with summertime weddings, they can tend to be a little bit more informal. You could wear like shorter dresses, not always longer cocktail dresses. Also, if it's like a beach wedding, I feel like this would be perfect for that, or some sort of destination. I know last year I went to a wedding in Cabo and I think these shoes would have been perfect for that outfit, for that look. But yeah, so definitely giving a very summery vibe to the shoes and to your outfit. I was worried about the pom-poms looking kind of funny when I got them, and they are like some ASMR there. This like kind of straw-like material on them, but that helps them like retain their shape pretty well and they don't get like smushed down. And then price point on these ones. So these are originally $170. But on sale at Nordstrom Rack for only $69.99. So seriously, such a great deal, such great savings. If you're looking to get these shoes, now is the time. Get them on sale. Definitely do not pay full price for these. They are the really good quality, so I could see them being $170 shoes, but getting them on sale, why not? A no-brainer. I'm wearing these ones also in a size 5, and these definitely fit more true to size. Like I said, Sam Edelman, I feel like is one of those brands that runs a little small, but that works perfect for me. So the size 5 here is perfect. Love the fit. And yeah, overall, I think these are such a fun summer heel and will definitely put you in a fun best dress guest category. All right, and last but definitely not least, we've got another Jewel Badgeley Mishka moment with these shoes. And these ones are seriously so stunning. They are this beautiful deep midnight blue satin with the fun crystal detail around the ankle, and these just look so expensive, so high quality, and just a beautiful shoe in general. I feel like these also come in a handful of different colors, and honestly I feel like could be perfect actual wedding shoes. They have the thicker heel, so they are a lot more comfortable, that chunkiness. The height is also not too high at all. I think about like 3 or 4 inches. So again, a really comfortable shoe. The only part that could be potentially a little uncomfortable might be the ankle strap, but it does have a softer leather there, so I don't think it would be too bad. And then same with the toe box here. This is pretty soft on the inside, so I think it could definitely lend itself to being a very comfortable shoe for a full night. Even in this blue color, this could be your something blue for your wedding shoe. Seriously, so beautiful, so stunning. I'll show you guys them as a pair together. And yeah, these ones are just so beautiful. I love the ankle strap on them. I think it just adds such a nice touch and a little bit of flair to a more simple style shoe. And I think this style in general is very popular right now, very trendy, very cute. So I really think such a great option. These ones retail for $64, so under $100 for these shoes. Such a great deal, a great price. I am wearing these ones in a size 5, and these ones do fit in a size 5. So I think the 5.5 in this brand really was them being more true to size, where the 5.5 is just a little too big on me, but the 5 fit perfect. So if you are looking for these in your size, definitely go true to size on the fit. And yeah, I'm just like so speechless on these. They are so beautiful and such a nice shoe to add to your collection, to add to your wardrobe, to go and just really elevate any dress that you wear. These are very formal, probably the most formal shoe in this haul, dare I say. But yeah, these are my clear favorites. I think these are so stunning and at an incredible price. Will definitely put you in the best dress category, literally regardless of what you're actually wearing. These shoes alone, best dress guess. easily. Alright, so that's my little shoe haul from Nordstrom Rack. Like I said, all of these shoes are such a great deal on such a great sale. So if you like any of them, as always, I will link everything I tried on today down below in my description, also on my like to know it. Also just checking out Nordstrom Rack in general. Such great shoes. It's like my hidden gem of finding really cute shoes for really good prices. Also be sure to leave a comment down below which pair is your favorite, which one do you like the best. You know my clear favorite was the last one, but honestly all of these shoes are so fun and beautiful and perfect in their own way. But honestly, I feel like all of these shoes were so pretty, such great quality, and really great options if you are looking for some wedding guest shoes or just formal shoes in general. Also, if you enjoyed this shoe haul video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, give it a like, share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one.